Hey guys, welcome to another video. So as you can see, we're doing part 10 of our Mothership V palette. And I am actually super excited about this because I've never done so many looks with one palette, and it's pretty exciting, you know, to kind of witness the range. I might actually put some of the looks, you know, at the end of the video just so you can see the journey that I took with this palette. And for part 10, I didn't have anything prepared. Like, I thought, oh, I'm gonna make it super cool, super special, but I really don't have an idea of what I want to do. But I know that I want to do like a smoky wing liner. So I don't know if you guys seen on Instagram, like those people that do the smoky eye, but then it's dark on the lid and then it comes into a nice like wing, and it, you know, it looks like a nice geometrical wing, but there's like a fun gradient to it. That's what we're gonna go for today, and I'm gonna use the colors in this palette. As usual, I have all of my makeup on, so I have a Supreme Glow, I have contour, foundation, brows. I did my brows a little bit different, and I've been doing them a little bit different these days. Let me know if you guys like it. It's a little bit thicker and I go a little lower on the inner part, and I think I bring them in closer just a little bit more than usual. So yes, let me zoom you guys in and we'll get this tutorial started. Okay, so I'm just gonna start out with Skin Show Divine Glow, and that's the lightest color as a base, and I'm gonna apply it on both eyes. Using the eyeshadow brush from Bobbi Brown. It does actually make, you know, I complain a lot about this brush and I give it a lot of shit, but it does make life a lot easier to just kind of go like whoop, you know, and blend everything. And you could use it for like crease color, like if you're just doing a super basic look, but we're never doing a super basic look in this channel. We're always stepping it up. And then after we've done that, I like to use a little bit of entrapment and just, you know, kind of contour the eye. If you have eyes like mine, you probably don't want to skip this step because, you know, like the eyes tend to be really flat if you don't put anything on it. So I like putting this just to give it some natural contours. If you already have like a defined eye, you can probably skip this step, but you'll notice like what a difference it makes for my eye. So I like starting on the inner corner and moving it to the crease. So you can see it's subtle, but it makes the lid come forward, right? And then it makes this area come back a little bit. So it gives it a little bit more shape. But this area right here is kind of a fun area to apply color because in pictures it shows up so well. And it is almost like an afterthought, you know, like because you think, oh, I'm gonna put color on my crease and the lid, but this area looks amazing with some pop of color and life to it. Okay, now that we have that, I'm gonna use my Dior liner brush and I'm gonna sketch out the wing. So I'm gonna use Disobedient. And I just kind of want to get an idea of where the wing is gonna go. I was actually playing with this type of look, and I felt like the best brush to use for this type of look is the Kat Von D double-sided, because it has this pointy side on the other side that really helps to kind of define and blend. You can like put a line, blend it, you know, and just keep doing that. So I'm gonna go back with entrapment, and I'm just gonna start building that line. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this brush, part of the brush, to kind of diffuse it. Okay, and now I'm going to use the crease brush just to kind of build a little bit more gradients to the wing. And now I'm gonna go back with Disobedient and I'm gonna start making the wing darker. Okay, and then to add a little bit more drama, I'm gonna use Extreme Aubergine on the lid and darken out the lid. I'm gonna use a little bit of water and intensify that Extreme Aubergine. Okay, this looks a lot better. Okay, now I just gotta blend this to the rest of the eye. Okay, now I'm gonna use the same color and connect it to the wing. Whoa! Okay, I'm gonna add Guilty Pleasure to the bottom of the eye just to give it a little shine and shadow. Okay, and I'm adding a little bit of darkness right on top of the inner corner, actually. And there's actually a reason for that, because I'm going to be putting a little Astro Lunar Gold, so the darkness is going to help to make that pop even more. So let me block it out with a little bit of a detail brush. So I'm just going to use a little bit of Astro Lunar Gold. Oh, and to finish off the look, I'm going to use a little bit of Divine Skin Show Divine Glow on the brow bone just to kind of blend everything else nice and to blend everything else neatly. Okay, let me put some mascara, eyeliner. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is it for the look. As you can see, it's very smoky, very wing, just like I planned. And it came out a lot better than I thought it was gonna come out. And I'm happy, you know, I used Mothership 5 for this look, because I don't know why, I feel like this Extreme Aubergine shade is like the shade. It's a plum, but it's so unique. It has like a light touch of red in it, you know, which makes it a little bit more rich looking, so it's not as cold of a purple or a plum as it usually is. And all the other colors blend so well with it, you know, and you can see like the gradient is pretty unreal. And I love the little glitter in the inner corner. As usual, I'm going to be putting some photos and videos so you can see like the vision for the look. And yeah, I think what I'll do is I'll also add a couple of pictures, you know, just to celebrate 10 videos of Mothership 5, so you can see like the journey we took from, you know, some of these amazing looks till this look. And it's fun because every single look is its own thing, you know? And I'm so happy to add this to the series. Gonna let me go. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe and press that bell button so you know when I have new videos. If you can, please like and share the video. If you're interested on the other looks, I do have a playlist called Mothership 5 where you can see all the looks. You can start right at the top, watch every single video, and just pass out on the couch once you're done. Alright guys, I'm gonna go, and I'll see you guys in the next video.